All right, let's look at this video. Want to one of the picture that the image that one of the students sent to the group. Let's see how we can use it to convert that picture. Okay, look at the image. Let's see how we can convert this image now to video. All right, so now I will go to our Chrome. We can get that from Chrome. That's Chrome Gemini, yes. But you first of all click on Chrome. After Chrome, you will see Google Gemini. You click on Google Gemini. From there, you see the interface for that of the Google Gemini. Now you can see this plus sign here. Are you seeing it? You tap on the plus. It will take us to the next interface where we are going to click on a photo, because we are looking at those images now. We want to use those images to convert those images to video. That's what we are looking at now. So we tap on the image that one of you created. Remember, this image is one of the students that created it and they send it to the group. Now I will say done. Click done. After selecting the image, say done. Now after you click on done, it will load to position your image on the Google Gemini working space. Now I want to issue a prompt that this image should be converted to video. So what I need to do is to I can type it, but if I like, I can add more words to it. So it's generating the video right away. We can see how it's generating it. So if you like, you can say convert this image to video and instruct AI to tell the words you want the people to be communicating. You can do that. It's your choice. So, but I did not go into that. I just want only AI to just give me anything they want to want each of them to speak. Let AI do the work for me. But it's good when you issue a prompt that will direct each person on what each of them will say, so that you will be satisfied with your video. So I think I'm just giving us the full explanation so that you know what to do. This is free version anyway. It's free version. So if you want to get other standard video, so you can subscribe and they will give you exactly what you want. You can get long video when you subscribe, but this one is just a short video, 10 minutes, a 10-second video. But after the 10-second video, it's now left for you to be picking it one after the other. Maybe you do 10 seconds for a particular scene. You do another 10 seconds for a particular scene. You do another 10 seconds for a particular scene. At the end of the day, we will now join all the scene together, all the clips join there together to give you the kind of story you want to present for people to understand. So, but we have not gotten to that stage yet. That one is another video we are going to prepare. So I just want, you can see the video is set now. The video is set now. You can see each of them, they are communicating. But let's download this video. Let's download it so that it will be on our gallery. After the thing complete, okay, I think it has finished downloading. Let's go and see what the video is. Okay, it has downloaded. Video downloaded. Let's go and see the video from our file manager. Let's go now. Look at the okay, let's go. This is image. Let's go for video. Yeah, look at the video. Let's play it and see what we got. You see?
Our kingdom stands at a crossroads.
Wonderful.
We must protect our traditions
Can you see?
and our people.
Jesus, this is wonderful. This is just free version. Now, so it's not left for you to think, okay, how can I continue this story? It's not left for you to generate another video. Maybe only the king is just sitting down. You tell ChatGPT to give you another image where only the king is just sitting down thinking about their tradition stuff. Then you can generate another one also where the king look as if the whole world have ended. So at the end of the day, you convert all of them to video, and you join them together. Will teach us that we'll get to that class how to join different videos together for us to be able to get a complete storyline. So we'll come to that. So for now, you can see how this presentation look like. So and with all these things now, you can be creating your creating content and be posting on your channel. As people are viewing it, your dollar is increasing. But you must be constant in your content creating. You must be creating and be posting every day. It's very important. So let's see another video that one of us, another image that one of us created, and I also converted that one to what is it called, to video. Though I did not record it, but I just want to show us so that we will see how that one look like also. Remember, one of us post this very video now.
Come back here with my fish!
Post the image on
Stop that cat!
the group. So I clicked on it and converted this image to video. That is what you are seeing playing here. So you can see that these things, they are very easy if only you follow the guideline and take it step by step. So I think we are learning a lot. So this is another assignment I'm going to give to us today. So the assignment you are going to prepare, let's type Gemini. When you type Gemini, you send it. It will not take you to the next interface where you have Google Gemini. So you tap on the Google Gemini. It will just open the interface where you can insert your picture. So one of my picture that I generated from ChatGPT version. Let's take this video where this White and myself, where we are moving on the streets. Remember, I use AI to generate this image. Okay, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's see. It's generating the video. It's generating. Let's see if it will give us the video. If it did not give it to us, that means we are done generating for the moment. Maybe after you finish generating, or it's not taking anymore, maybe you give him some time. Maybe 3 hours, 4 hours later, you can generate again. So, but for now, this is all we can get for the moment. So, but at the same time, there is a video. There is an image that I have already generated before now. So let's go to that my file manager or wherever. I want to show you that video. Look at it. That's the same image now, that White and myself. Look at it. I've used it to generate video.
People abroad tend to be very reserved and focused on their own routine.
You see?
Oh, in Nigeria, we are the opposite. We are very expressive and full of life.
You can see. So somebody now can just create an image and convert it to video. And most especially if that face is exactly the face of the person. Now you will see the person discussing with White. You yourself now, if you are not careful enough, you think that is for real, or else it's just AI. And there are AI tools that you will pay for. There are some of these AI tools you pay for. And when after paying for it, when you generate the image and the video, it will look exactly. And you will be seeing the movement, everything happening like the person is really abroad. So most of the times, the reason this training is going on now is for you not to be deceived. For you not to be deceived. There are some things now you may want to do with pictures, and you don't have money to go and snap a picture in the studio, or maybe you don't have time to go out to go for that. You can just snap any of your picture with your camera phone, or any picture you have on your phone. Just bring it to AI. Tell AI, give you a prompt that AI should decorate it very well for you, and AI will give it to you, and you can use it to do anything you want. Do you know that? Okay, let's do something. Let me just see. Let me see. Let's just what is it called? Let's go to that the same Chrome. Let me just show us something. For example, now you have a picture, and you and your wife snap a picture, for example, and you want the dressing of both of you to look different from what you snap. How do you do that? Just follow the step I'm giving you now. You just go and insert the picture. Just insert any of the picture, or let's just say we are using this same picture. Let's just say let's use this one. Let's just use it and see how it will go. Now, after the picture display on the interface, now you now give a prompt to say, so let's see if this one will give us what we just described now. You can do your own in any way you want to do it. You can do your own. This is the one that we are teaching you does not mean that we are the best. When you are doing your own now, you can even do more than us. Now see, you see this thing now. So AI is just something that you can use to create anything. Remember, I did not tell them to give me exactly the face that I used to insert the picture. So it look as if the face is different from that one. But the result we are looking at, the result is out. Are you seeing it now? So now we can save it. We can save it. So it depends on your prompt. Your prompt matters a lot when it comes to generating image and to generate a video. When you are creating image and generating video, it is your prompt that will determine the quality and the standard of that image or video. So that is why when you are doing anything with AI, your prompt matters a lot. So maybe before we finish the class, if time permits, I'm going to give us different type of prompts that we can use to create image and also generate videos. So let's just be learning until we get to the 2 weeks time of the training. So this is just all I want us to understand in this converting image into video. Remember, we are using free tool. So if you want to get a professional one, good, you pay for it. Or we can, by the grace of God, we will still teach you, get to those ones when we advance in the class, whereby we'll be creating videos that look very real, that even if somebody that don't know that you are the one that created it with AI, the person we want to believe that is not AI. We want to believe that it's a real video. Thank you very much. God bless you, and see you in our next video.